वेलकम टू अम्मू पेट्स एंड कैनल्स. हाय गाइस, फिर से वापस आ गया मैं. आई एम सॉरी, थोड़ा टाइट शेड्यूल की वजह से मैं वीडियोस नहीं बना सका. बट इंशाल्लाह फ्रॉम नाउ आई विल मेक ऑल द वीडियोस अबाउट द पेट्स एंड ऑल. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे क्वेश्चन भी करें, सर जी वीडियो बनाओ. हाँ, अभी मैंने एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अभी आप लोगों के लिए. डायरेक्ट मेरे कस्टमर्स जो ऑलरेडी मेरे पास पेट्स ले चुके हैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस जानने के लिए, और अम्मू पेट्स एंड कैनल्स में उनको आना कैसा हुआ, ठीक है. और मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाह रहा हूँ अभिलाष सर एंड दिव्या मैडम. हाय मैडम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर. एंड ये लोग हमारे डीडे को मिलने आए क्योंकि इनके जो दो बडीज़ है ब्राउनी एंड रेन, ये दोनों को हमारे डीडे के साथ मिलाने के लिए लेके आए. और वैसे ही साथ चलो मैं इनका इंटरव्यू भी ले लेता हूँ करके आया. अभी मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं उनको थोड़े सवाल भी करूँगा और ये लोग जवाब भी देंगे. पहले तो आप ब्राउनी को भी देख लीजिए. ब्राउनी और रेन है यहाँ पे. रेन को सो मैं इनका एक्सपीरियंस जानना चाहता हूँ. सो अभिलाष, चलो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू केम टू नो अबाउट अम्मूस. एंड नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेल मी लाइक why you need a pet and what's your experience about us.
Well, actually, my mother is also around, and it's a fact that a few years ago I had a stray dog near my house and grew a little too attached to the stray dog. Okay. Unfortunately, due to whatsoever reason, the stray dog just went missing. It was just a dog I always wanted to have, but I was small enough to not realize that maybe I'm not responsible enough at that point. Okay. And just about last year, my wife, she was in the US. We were vacationing over there. We stayed with a couple of friends, Efren and Joel, and they had two huskies and a boxer.
In US?
In the US, yes. So we lived with them for about 3 weeks or so. Great buddies, right up all the way till evening, campfire equivalent that we had. It was like 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, and the dog would be around the campfire. And that's when my wife and I actually realized that when we move back to India, it would be a good time for us to actually have a pet. So
let us know from Divya what is her experience and why she loves pets.
So honestly, I was like very scared of dogs initially. So once I was in breakfast with my husband. So that time I actually developed the interest towards pets, and I really thought that like having a would make us like really responsible people, and also like increase love and affection in our house. So but it was not possible for us because I was in the US and he was in India, so we couldn't have a pet. So after my education was finished, so I decided to come back to India, and immediately we planned for a pet. And so I was coming to Hyderabad. So which pet shop is best in Hyderabad? Of course it's Ammu's, right? So that's why like I told my husband like we are definitely going to Ammu's. So and then he said, and I finished my quarantine because I came during lockdown, and I finished everything. And once I was like negative tested and all, so then we came to Ammu's.
How was your experience? How was your experience like when you enter into the Ammu's? Please let us know.
So it was like a pet heaven here. Like it's there's no expression to tell. Like the birds, the cats, the dogs, everything are like overwhelming. Like I really felt overwhelmed by all the things. But we actually had like something in mind. Like we'll have a golden retriever. So
like you have taken again now after 1 week you have taken a rain. True. I remember that. Yeah.
no, but the true experience like this, right? Like we hail from Bangalore, right? And we are in a strange city, right? And we're in Hyderabad, let's be honest, and we don't know any sort of right contacts as well. And we took a leap of faith and we entered into Ammu's. And the first thing is we were greeted by you. Yeah. To be very honest, that friendly face, that friendly personality, and the best part is it's not just on the surface. Yeah. It's been 7.5 months now. You still have the same amount of energy as well. Yeah. So we walk in, While many, I mean, honestly, like we haven't been to a pet store before, and first time when you see any small puppy caged, you'd feel bad for it, but then you'd actually realize that every single puppy over here is actually happy. Caged is not to be said in a negative way. They're actually happy over here, and the way you beautifully take care of them. We were over here actually when you were feeding them in the evening. And the affection with which you and your colleagues over here took care of them. We were convinced that okay, if at all we were to get anyone, it's gonna be from here. And our journey ever since that point has just been fantastic. I mean, you respond pretty much whenever it's needed, guiding us to the right things. Honestly, we didn't even know about vaccination until you told us the whole schedule of it, right? So that way you've been fantastic.
Now they are 7.5 months, right?
Yes.
How you are feeling now? How it's, like when you are raising them at home. Tell me the experience, how it is with you.
It's definitely like raising two kids and like two naughty kids.
How much like advantage you got? Like when they came into your family, how it feels to you?
So I think it has definitely increased our bonding. Like it has made us realize what is the value of family, like what is the family togetherness, what is the value of togetherness. And like whenever we used to come back from office, they are like coming and jumping on us. Like and
Stress busters, I always say them.
that's always it's a feeling like somebody is waiting for you in home. So you have to be there early. So that's a very good feeling. So that's how they have changed our lives and all. And also like they have got some time schedules.
Yes, exactly.
Like we were not scheduled. Like we used to have food at some random time and all those things. So but after they eat food, we also eat food. So we have like timings now.
No, I think one thing we got better at is what we call as, I mean, I'm from the software industry, right? So what we call as collaborative working. The point is, both of them have a schedule. 9 a.m. onwards till 9 p.m. every 4 hours, they have to eat, they have to drink. Sometimes they'll have to poop as well, right? Now, initially, before we got any pet at home, it used to be like, hey, Divya, you do this, and hey, I'll do this, and that's about it. And now it's like we've learned collaboratively work with each other. It's like sometimes I'll do it, sometimes you do it, because she's busy with her schedule, I'm busy with my schedule, but we figure out a way to get things going together. So the bonding between us naturally has increased a lot better. The element of collaboration has increased to greater extent than what I had imagined. And with these two folks around, just think of them as lively stress busters, those squeezing balls. That's about it.
So tell me about, you introduced your mom these pets. Tell her experience. I want to know how she's like. Some moms are like, no, beta, the home ministry have to take care of her. So
Right.
tell me that experience.
I standing right behind the camera, but ever since she was a child, there's a very old black and white photo when she was like 4 or 5 years old with a sparrow in her hand. Okay, so I've known that she's been, very fond of animals in general, not specific to dogs alone. And when I told you about the stray dog as well, she was also like equally attached to the same. And watching Bruno and Brownie and Rain over FaceTime, just get onto another level of excitement and happiness altogether. And seeing them in person, it just took her happiness to a whole new level. What do you think, Divya? Because her parents also came in.
She follows me on Insta also.
Oh yeah.
I have seen it.
everybody can follow.
No, actually, agreed. No, because her mother used to be, again, very scared of dogs, and she'll walk you through the journey of like how these two actually change their perception.
Exactly, yeah. My mother is like very scared of dogs. Like she's like, she doesn't even go near any animal. But right now, she's like so attached to these two that she feeds with her own hands, like eat beta, like that she does.
Like my mother also.
Yeah, she does that, and it's like very shocking for me to watch that, but it's also like it gives me a lot of happiness also, like even my mother likes it, like everybody is liking it.
Anyways, now just tell me that I am so happy that you also came to my place, to enjoy the atmosphere as well as you to meet me, this Bruno and Rain. And really, God bless for you. And you want to say something in Kannada? I don't know what you want to say.
Sure. Actually, we are from Bangalore, and ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ದಟ್ ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮೂಸ್ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪೆಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೀಸನೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪೆಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.
No, actually, okay, at least to say it in English, the point is this, right? If you're new to Hyderabad, first and foremost, you don't have to visit Ammu's just for a pet. You can, there's this guy, Moin, right over here. You have a friend in the making the moment you walk in right over here. And yes, anytime you guys are in Hyderabad, feel free to walk down, it's just around the corner in Banjara Hills, Ammu's Pets. Exactly, yes. We migrated Hyderabad, but when we came over here, we got to know that he actually does help in transporting our pet friends all the way across the country as well. So that's wonderful. So Ammu's Pets and Kennel, that's the right place for us. That could be the right place for you also, and you can only figure it out once you come in, meet this. He looks like a gentle giant. He truly is a gentleman. So yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, guys. And I just once again want to tell you that I'm really sorry that I have made a video after a long time. But from now, I will keep uploading the videos and everything. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like my channel. I want to tell more about the veterinarian, animals, and everything. So keep subscribing and keep blessing me.